This is the first time I started walking. First thing I've touched was the cooker. So I've told my mom recently, like, look, I've always wanted to be a chef. Mom's cooking it's everything. It's in a way, I remember home or I miss home. So I started to cook that food again. When I started this business, I thought it's only going to be for a few months and then I'm going to go find a job in a restaurant. But it just happened, you know. I started to cook for a few people and then it's like expand.
Faraj, what do you call Simon and Shoshana?
Family.
Initially, his customers were people that the whole family knew, but then, you know, word spread so quickly. And he's now cooked over 2,500 people in Cambridge in 6 months.
And you helped me with the delivery as well?
Yeah, I was initially the delivery driver.
Somebody came to the synagogue and said, if you have a spare room, you can take on a refugee. My wife came home and said, should we do this? And I said, yeah, right. And that was it, end of discussion. It was absolutely no more than that. And then like 2 weeks later, Faraj turned up and 5 years later, here we are.
This is my home key in Aleppo. I never understood why we have to leave because I was quite young and I wasn't prepared for that. And I would never forget that day, yeah. You kind of like you're carrying your home with you. So I didn't feel like I've lost my home. Even my home being destroyed or being gone by the war, but still, you know, one day I will return and one day I'll open the door. When I came to UK, I went to London to train in a restaurant at Ottolenghi. And then the COVID came, I lost my job, came back to Cambridge, and I thought I need to do something for myself. I found this community kitchen. It's only a temporary place. I had to work really hard, work non-stop. And after like a month and two, I started to make profit. I'm like, oh my God, it's just working. Now I am looking for a professional kitchen where I can let my business to grow. So no, it's been great, but it's really stressful. I feel good here. Cambridge to me feels home. Like after the long journey of 5 years traveling and being homeless, you've got a room, you've got a place. You're not gonna sit in the streets and worried about it's gonna rain on you and it's gonna be freezing cold. You never thought about living in Syria or experiencing the war. I mean, even when we used to see it in TV and news other places, I never thought to live like these people. I've seen the war and I've seen the bombs and I've seen horrible people in this journey. You're already like age of 17 to age of 19 seeing all of that in your life, you know. When I went to settle, I just wanted to forget everything happened to me. I just wanted to reborn again.
Did your mother know where you were?
Yeah, she knows now where I am, yeah. But I never ever told her about the journey or anything happened to me. Never. When I cook, I feel more connected to home. It's like a bridge between my past and my future. It's like a remedy for me. Yeah, I heal like emotionally and physically. Food is like magic. It is like a home inside of me. It's a relationship, what you're connected to. Connected to your roots, connected to your homeland, connected to your memories. So it's like everything. When I started thinking about the business, I thought, okay, the cooking is the fun part, but I never thought about the actual business. Oh my God, I love this. I've been designing a new logo with 99 designed by Vistaprint to help me to spread Faraj's Kitchen, to make it happen. Oh, those are my favorites. I'm gonna stick one on my bag. The one I've liked the most, it's like classic, simple. This like symbol represents the olive branch. In ancient time, when two armies fighting, they hold olive branch, and that means like, I want peace with you. When I was in Turkey, I used to walk around in Istanbul and like look into all these beautiful shops. They sell in baklava and not able to afford even a piece of baklava. And it's beautiful to see how much, like before I wasn't able to buy a piece of baklava, now I can make a whole tray. I'll just like go straight away home, straight away to heaven, actually.